So hello everyone, in this video we will see that how we can work with workflows. In this video we will be exploring actions part of GitHub, and then how we can add workflows to GitHub. Okay, so for that we will be just connecting Docker. We will see how we can work with YML files and how we can uh, connect to the Docker part, and let's see one by one. So first of all, you should have one GitHub account, and then you will have to create a repo, and then you will be having one Java project with Gradel in it. Okay, so you should have. I am not having that, so I'll just explain you how you can do it. Okay, so you have to add that file here. Okay, that java.gradle file. You will have one a repo. You have to make a repo which is public. Okay, and then in that repo you can go to actions part. Okay, just go to the sections part, and then you can go to the workflows. You have a plenty of workflows available. You can click on this workflow. You can choose a workflow. Okay, so there are much more options like deployment, security, continuous integration, automation, pages. So all these options are there for you. Just go to continuous integration. Like I wanted to do it Java with Gradle. Okay, so I can view all, and if you want any more option, you can go for it. You can click on view all part. Okay, then it will show you all the options that are available to you. Else you can also work simply with Java with Gradle. Okay, let's search it where it is, and you will find it here, Java with Gradle, and you can click on the configure part, right? And here in this configure part, what you have to do, you just have to open this, and then here you will be having a YML file, gradle.yml, and you just have to copy this. Okay, just select all and then copy this to your editor. I have just copied it into my editor, and here it is. Okay, here this file is here, right? Next, what you have to do, then this YML file I'll be explaining it to you. Okay, right? So let's know it, what it contains and what it is, right? So basically I have explained it in a notepad, and I'll be explaining it to you this. So your workflow name will be there, YML, and then name is Java CI with Gradle. Okay, and just ignore this. Then trigger conditions, the workflow is triggered on. Okay, push events, it will be pushing events to the main branch only, and pull request events targeting to the main branch. And then YML file will be this, on push branches main, pull request will be done on the main branches only. Jobs, the workflow defines two jobs, build and dependency submission. Build job runs on the latest Ubuntu environment and includes the following steps. You can check this YML code is uses actions checkout and set up JDK 17. This will be setting up your JDK 17 here. Let me show you this in this part. Okay, so basically this code, this will be your job, build and distribution. Next is setup Gradle. This will set up your Gradle, configure your Gradle, and then dependency submission is here. It runs on Ubuntu latest, and permissions is right permissions is given. Next is JDK 17 setup part is here. You can set it up, and then it uses your Docker part. Okay, this is your Docker part. You can name deploy Docker image, and then you can use this one will not be available. You will have to put it through yourself only, and you can get it through from a site. Let me show you. So when you will search Docker build and push action in the marketplace in Google, let me show you where will you get it. Docker, search for Docker build and push action basic usage, and this will be opened to you. Use the latest version, and here in the basic usage you will find this one. Okay, these steps you will be finding, and you can go to the example. So here is one example part. This is your example Docker's hub, and then you can copy this whole part, and you can paste it here as I have pasted it, right? Then in the image part you will be having uh, an image name, and for that you can make your Docker account. So let me show you where it is. So just make one Docker repo. So I have made this Docker repo name Swaraj1 sys sys, and Docker1 is my image name. Okay, so this is my username and this is my image name. So I had to enter this image name here. So what I did, I just copied it. I simply, let me open that. Okay, I simply copied this whole part, this one. Wait, yep, yeah, this one. I just copied this part here and then pasted it to this environment, right? And then just match the indentation. Okay, match the indentation like this. Uses with, you will have to select all and then just press the tab button, and then indentation will be matched. Now what? Now everything is set, all set. Next is in this username and password part. This is your username and password part. For this, to set this part, you will have to access your GitHub account, and then in that GitHub account you will have to configure your environment. Go to the secrets and variables part, which is available in the settings of your repo, whatever repo you are choosing, public repo. In the settings part of that repo, just go to the secrets and variables part, and then in that actions, and then you will having one option. Just click on this actions, and then you will be having one option named new repository secret. Okay, so let me show you how you can add it. So just enter your secret name, and this will be your secret name, your Docker username. You can select it from here. This is your secret name. So just select this secret name from here and paste it here, and secret name will be your secret value, will be your Docker username only. Okay, so just go to the Docker, and this is your Docker username, this one, Swaraj1 sys, whatever Docker in general you will find it here, and this is your Docker username. Just paste it here and add this secret. As I have already added it, I won't be adding it again, right? And Docker password, whatever is your Docker password, just enter that password. Okay, and name or value, you can take it from here. You can take this Docker password name from here and value from your Docker password, whatever is your Docker password, you can take it from there, right? Next is our what you can do, as you will just set these secret repo secret. Now you can just control A, you can press control A, you can select all these part. Okay, and then you can go to this YML file and just paste it. Okay, just press A and then control V. Yep, wait a second, control A, control C, and then just paste it here, and this is your YML file, right? And you can just go to commit changes, and click this commit change, and that will be committed. If you are having your Java file, if you have attached your Java file with your repo, whatever you repo you are having, then it will be added, right? Just listen, it will be added and it will be shown here in the home part. That file, if you are adding that Java file with Gradel, then it will be added, and then in actions part you will find that your actions would be running simply. Okay, so that is how you can do it. And if you refresh your Docker, let me show you, and then after adding it here, actions will be ticked, and then if you refresh your Docker, then that tags will be find here, right? So this is how you can do it. So I hope this was easy for you, this was easy to know. And next is these all actions are done basically whenever you just go and you just commit changes to your main branch. You can select your main branch, or you can create a new branch also. You can commit the changes, and then those commit changes would be shown in your actions part. Okay, as I am, suppose I am committing changes. I don't have a Java file yet, but yep, this file could not be edited. Okay, as I have already done this. So this is my workflow, right? So this is done because I wasn't having a Java with Gradle, so it is not connected, but this one is done, this part is done, and this is my workflow. This is ticked as workflow is successfully done, and this is how you can work with your workflow. Okay, you have much more options. You can use new workflow here, and then you can deploy, you can integrate uh, a lot of stuffs through this workflow. So I hope this video was much clear to you. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, thank you.